Hello everyone, Aviation in Vegas here, back at you with another video. In this video, we will be doing an airport update of a fictional airport in Los Angeles. Not necessarily Oceanside because we closed it due to the coronavirus, but we will be doing a huge airport update. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Pulling onto runway 27, we have a Southwest 737 MAX 8, which is operating for an 800, and this will be heading out to Baltimore. Just behind that, we have a Delta MD-88, which is heading out to Minneapolis. Right here, we have a Delta 757-300, and this came in from JFK. Next to that, we have a Delta A220, which will be heading out to Phoenix Sky Harbor. Behind the Delta MD-88, we have a Qantas 7879. This just came in from Perth and is waiting to taxi to its gate. Next to an empty Delta gate, we have a Delta 737-900, which will be heading out to Cincinnati. And next to that, we have a Delta A321, which came in from Atlanta. And last for the Delta gates, we have a Delta 737-800, and this just came in from Salt Lake City. Right here, we have a United 737-900, and this just came in from Kailua Kona, Hawaii. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I saw a lot of planes going there on Flight Radar for Delta and United, so I decided to put it on a United route. Next to that United, we have a United 737-800, which will be heading out to Seattle. And last for Uniteds, we have a United A319, which came in from Las Vegas. Here we have a Frontier A320neo in the Poppy the Prairie Dog livery, and this just came in from Denver. And right here we have a Frontier A320neo, which will head out to Portland. Right here we have an Alaskan Airlines A321neo in the Mortal Love livery. This will be heading out to Seattle. Next to that we have a Delta 777-200LR, and this is taxiing out to the runway for a flight out to Johannesburg. Right behind the Delta 777, we have a Southwest 737-800, and this will be heading out to Atlanta. In the first gate of Terminal 2, we have an Alaskan Airlines A319, and this just came in from New Orleans. And here we have a Spirit A319 that just came in from Chicago. Next to an empty American gate, we have an American 737-800 in the One World livery. This will be heading out to Kansas City. And here we have an American Airlines ERJ-145, which just came in from Flagstaff, Arizona. Right here we have an American Airlines A321neo, and this will be heading out to Miami. Here we have a American Airlines 757-200, and this just came in from JFK. And last but not least, for Terminal 2, we have an American Airlines A321, and this will be heading out to Mexico City. Just pulling onto the main taxiway, we have a JetBlue A320 in the FDNY livery, and this will be flying out to Fort Lauderdale today. Just pushing back from its gate, we have an Allegiant A320 with service out to Grand Junction. Right here, we have an Aer Lingus A330-300, and this will be heading out to Shannon. Here in the first gate, we have a Hawaiian A321neo in the new livery, and this will be heading out to Kahului. Right here we have a Sun Country 737-800, and this will be heading out to Minneapolis. Right next to an empty JetBlue gate, we have a JetBlue A321, and this will be heading out to Boston. Next to that, we have a Southwest 737-700 Nevada 1 livery, and this will be heading out to Albuquerque. Next to an empty Southwest gate, we have another Southwest 737-700, this time in the Colorado 1 livery, and this will be heading out to Tucson. Next to that, we have a Southwest 737-800, and this will be heading out to Las Vegas. And last but not least, for the sea gates, we have a Southwest 737-800, and this will be heading out to Denver. Right here, we have an Air China 747-400, and this just came in from Beijing. Here we have a Lufthansa A380-800, and this will be heading out to Frankfurt. Right here we have an Emirates A380, which will be heading out to Dubai. Next to that we have a Lufthansa 747-400, and this will be heading out to Frankfurt. And right next to that, we have a British Airways 747-400, and this will be heading out to London Heathrow. Right here, we have a Delta A350-900 with service to Amsterdam. And just pulling onto the main runway, we have a Virgin Atlantic A350-1000 with service to London Heathrow. Over here, we have a Philippine Airlines 777-300ER in the 75 years livery, and this will be heading out to Manila. And last but not least, for this airport update, we have a United 777-200LR with service to Tokyo. That concludes this airport update. I wish I could do an overview, but as you know, it's separated into parts. So yeah, here's an overview of every plane. Not all put away. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this airport update. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends who like aviation. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!